how to set up a newsletter sign up on your Shopify store. It's a very easy process. So follow me. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's simple tutorial will be how to have an email sign up for your customers on your Shopify store. So first of all, head to the online store section, then go to themes, which will be selected automatically, then click on customize. Now, in this customization platform, we're going to go down to the footer of our website. And here it is. Here in the footer, we have the email sign up. If you don't have this option, you can just head over to the footer section, add section, and add email sign up. And this is how it's gonna look. Subscribe to our email, and this is how it's going to be on our website. So for the email sign up, I have it on Arabic here. So this translates to, so you can get anything new from us. Here people can write, our customers can write their emails and they will be subscribed to your newsletter. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.